guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you some of my random favorites. These range from skincare to makeup to beauty tools to food items and basically everything. These are some of my current favorite things which I just cannot stop binge using. So without any further ado, let me quickly share with you all of the items that I'm currently obsessed with. So the first item that I have is this Derma Suction Pore Cleaning Device. So when I open it, it contains this machine over here, and it contains 3 attachments and there's another one. So there are total 4 attachments. You gotta attach one head on the tool, and then once you turn this on, it starts sucking all of the gunk from your pores. So I mainly use this on my nose, around my nose, a little bit over here on the cheeks next to my nose. So this helps to pull out all of the whiteheads, like literally all of them. And with blackheads, it does help to remove like half of them, not all of the blackheads, I'm gonna be honest, but whiteheads to sare hi nikal deta hai ye. And it does make my skin a little red for some time. My skin turns back to normal after like half an hour ish. So this has 2 settings, 2 speed settings. The first one is the low setting, which pulls out the gunk very gently, and the second one is the high setting. You can probably hear the noise. So that's a very strong setting. It's meant for like very strong blackheads which just refuse to come off. That's what you can use it for, but mainly मैं इसको 1 number setting पे ही use करती हूँ. So what I like to do is I like to use a face wash, and then I just take some steam for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I like to use this. That way my pores are open, my skin is soft, and all of the blackheads and whiteheads come off very easily. So this I got off Amazon for around 400 rupees or something. I'm going to leave all of the links of all of the products in the description box below in case you want to check them out. And also if you want a complete review on this product, then also let me know in the comments below. I would love to review it for you guys. The second product on my list are these Mamaearth Nourishing Bathing Soaps. This is the Vitamin C variant. Now this is a pack of 5 soaps. एक तो मैंने पहले ही खत्म कर दिया. I loved it so much, and the other 2 are in my 2 bathrooms right now. I have just 2 left with me over here right now. So this is a pack of 5, and it retails for rupees 299 for 5 soaps, which is pretty affordable. And these are India's first sulfate-free soap bars. Sulfates are very harmful for your skin and for your hair, and these soaps are free of that. So as I mentioned, I already used up 1 bar of the soap completely, and it took me about 20 or 25 days to finish that one up. I was using it alone for obviously hygiene reasons. And if you use this soap even for 1 week, trust me, your body is gonna become so glowing and so radiant. The reason why I picked up the vitamin C variant was for this purpose only, because vitamin C serums and other vitamin C skincare I was already doing for my facial skin, and my face used to glow so much, but I really wanted my body to glow as much as my face, and that's the reason why I wanted to use vitamin C infused product on my body. And I'm so glad I purchased this because it makes my body skin super duper radiant. You only need to give it a shot for a week to see a visible difference in your body skin. So this contains vitamin C, which adds up to an amazing glow on your body. It also contains honey, which helps to moisturize your skin and prevent dryness. After using this vitamin C bathing bar, I have been so impressed by it that I really want to try out the other variants as well by Mamaearth. So that's why I got this mixed pack of 5 soaps. This contains all of the 5 variants that Mamaearth has. So let me take you through them one by one. So the first one is this Uptan variant. So this contains tiny little micro beads, exfoliating beads. And this smells so authentic, just like Uptan. Like पुराने ज़माने में people used to apply Uptan paste on their body to clean their body. This is just like that. The second variant is this tea tree variant, and I believe this is going to be great if you have sensitive skin on your body, if you have body acne, or if you have a lot of rashes, skin irritation, itchiness or anything. I believe this is going to be very gentle and very soothing for your skin. It smells also like green tea, like somewhat like green tea, but the smell is really calming and soothing. The third soap that I have is this charcoal soap. and this has a very fresh smell. This is the one that I'm really looking forward to try. And the next one is this cocoa variant. This has that chocolate coffee wala smell, something that would really wake you up in the morning, something that would really like brighten up your mood and everything. I can't wait to try this one as well. And coming to my favorite one, that is vitamin C variant. This adds an amazing glow to your skin, and it's got that very citrusy, refreshing smell, something that just rejuvenates your mood in the morning. You can either purchase a mix of all of the 5 variants to try which one you like the best, or you can purchase a pack of 5 of any of the 1 variants. They're available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart. They're also available on Mamaearth's website, and in case if you shop from their website, then you can use my coupon code, that is RIA2021, to get a 20% off. And whenever you place an order on Mamaearth's website, they will link your order to a tree that they plant. So I highly recommend you try out their website, or you can also use their app, which is available for both Android and for iOS. And whenever you browse from their app, you will be getting access to early sales, which means that you can save on more money. Moving on to product number 3, I have this My Glam Chisel It 3-in-1 highlighter, blush and bronzer. Look at how gorgeous it is. It's got this golden metallic packaging, very reflective, and once I open it, again it's like nice and golden from the inside. It has this mirror, and it has a highlighter, a blush and a bronzer, and the products are amazing. They apply really well, they're pigmented and all of that, but what attracts me the most to use this palette is the packaging. I absolutely love how classy the packaging is. I've never used such a classy product. Like, I literally clean the packaging after every use. If you see my other makeup products, they're all like worn and torn, but this one, I literally clean it. I literally treat it like my baby. It's so pretty. The packaging is amazing. It's to die for. So overall, it's a very classy product, and all of the 3 highlighter, blush and bronzer, they perform really well. So in case if you're looking for a face palette like this, then I highly recommend you check this one out. The next random favorite on my list are these glasses by Lenskart. These are their blue filter glasses. I like to store them in this case that it came with, and these filter the blue light from technology. So right now, how I'm sitting in front of a camera, I have the screen, I have an LED light, and then there are other lights in my room. There's the light of my laptop, my phone screen and everything. So all of this technology, it emits blue light, which is not just harmful for your skin, but it's also harmful for your eyes. They're very harmful for your eyes. So by using a blue filter pair of glasses like this, you're going to be able to block all of that blue light, and it's going to reduce by approximately like 70 to 90% depending upon the quality of your glasses. So it's an amazing way to protect your eyes against the blue light if you are into using a lot of smartphone, or if you watch a lot of TV, or if you work on the laptop constantly, like in this entire work from home situation. Then you need to get these blue light filter glasses. These costed me around like 1200 or 1300 rupees. They are also available for cheaper on Amazon, but I decided to go for branded good quality glasses, and that's why I had to pay what I paid. My next favorite product is again a makeup product. This is K-Beauty mascara, and what I love about this mascara is how wet the formulation is, how well it coats my eyelashes. Like, the fibers stick to my eyelashes so well and make my eyelashes look so black and so voluminous. And if you look at the wand of the mascara, you can see how fluffy it is. It makes your eyelashes look very voluminous, and it gives amazing amount of length. So it gives you both volume and length, and it makes your eyelashes look like false eyelashes. It adds a lot of drama to your eyelashes, and so far this is the best drugstore mascara that I've ever used. I've tried Benefit mascaras, they are great, but I kind of like this one more than that. That is how good it is. So currently for me, if I have to use a mascara, it has to be this one by K-Beauty. I do not use any mascaras anymore, and I don't think I will be using any other mascaras until I finish this up. I absolutely love it so much. The next random favorite on my list is this Nova hair curler. It's a curling iron, and this one I got from Amazon for around like 200 or 250 rupees only. And this performs so well. It curls your hair like any other curling iron. It's as good as the other expensive curling irons. It's a very basic design, It's got this clip over here. It doesn't have any temperature settings or anything. You just have to turn it on like that, and that's it. It's got a stand, which is a good thing. But apart from all of the basic features, it curls your hair so well, and the curls stay in place for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours, even without setting your hair with a hairspray or anything. So it's an amazing curling iron. I have a full review on this product on my YouTube channel. I'm going to leave it linked in the description box below in case if you want to check it out. It's an amazing, good quality, well performing curling iron, and it's so affordable. And finally, the last random favorite item on my list are these Nature Valley crunchy bars. These are 100% whole grain oats Valley bars, and they also contain Canadian maple syrup. So lately I've been a lot into these healthy things, into these protein bars and everything, and I just love how good this tastes. It's got the taste of honey and maples and everything. It is so amazing, and it's made with oats, so there's no guilt. Alright, it's guilt free. This is an amazing evening snack, or maybe a midnight snack as well. Whenever you're hungry and you don't really have anything healthy to binge on, you can just grab one of these and eat it. It's so good. It's available at all the supermarkets like Hypercity or Society Store or Food Hall. But I'm also going to be leaving a few links of where it's available online in the description box, so that in case if you want to order this, you can. And I do recommend you do it because it's so tasty. It started to rain outside, please don't mind the sound of it. So yeah, those were all of my current random favorite products. This was a very different kind of video that I did today. If you want to see like more such videos, then do let me know in the comments below. I would love to make more videos for you all regarding like random food items or other household items that are my current favorites. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also let me know in the comments below what other videos would you like to see, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that right away, and also follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.